welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into something that perfectly blends toughness, style, and performance. The Toyota Fortuner GR Sport Concept or modified version, a machine that takes the already legendary Fortuner and injects it with Gazoo Racing attitude, aggressive design, and a more performance-focused personality that SUV lovers have been waiting for. If you love powerful SUVs with a sporty edge and off-road DNA, this is a video you're going to enjoy from start to finish. The Toyota Fortuner has always been known as a reliable, rugged, and commanding SUV, especially popular in markets where durability and road presence matter most. Now imagine that same Fortuner but sharpened by Toyota's Gazoo Racing philosophy. The GR Sport Concept or modified version isn't just about looks. It's about emotion, confidence, and a bold statement on the road. From the moment you see it, you can tell this Fortuner is different. It carries a stronger, more muscular stance that immediately grabs attention. Starting with the exterior design, the Fortuner GR Sport Concept looks far more aggressive than the standard model. The front fascia is completely transformed with a sportier grille design, often finished in glossy black, featuring the iconic GR badge that signals performance and racing heritage. The bumper design is sharper and more sculpted, with larger air intakes that give the SUV a more athletic and powerful face. LED headlights remain sleek, but are often paired with darker housings to enhance the sporty character. Moving along the sides, the GR Sport version stands out with unique alloy wheels, usually larger in size, finished in black or dual-tone designs that complement the aggressive look. The wheel arches feel more pronounced, giving the SUV a planted and confident stance. Side steps, blacked-out mirrors, and subtle GR branding on the body add to the premium sporty vibe without overdoing it. The overall silhouette remains strong and boxy, but these small design upgrades make a big visual impact. At the rear, the Fortuner GR Sport Concept continues its bold theme. A sportier rear bumper, black accents, and sometimes a roof spoiler enhance the dynamic appearance. Smoked LED tail lamps and GR badging complete the look, making sure this SUV looks just as powerful from behind as it does from the front. Whether parked or in motion, this Fortuner commands respect and attention on the road. Step inside the cabin and the transformation continues. The interior of the Fortuner GR Sport Concept feels more driver-focused and premium compared to the standard version. You're welcomed by sporty seats, often finished in leather or suede style, upholstery with red or white contrast stitching that instantly gives off a performance vibe. GR logos on the seats, steering wheel, and floor mats remind you that this is not an ordinary Fortuner. The steering wheel itself is usually wrapped in high-quality leather with a thicker grip, designed to give better control and a sportier feel. The dashboard layout remains familiar, but darker trims, carbon fiber style accents, and metallic finishes elevate the overall cabin experience. Ambient lighting in select areas adds a modern and premium touch, especially during night drives. Technology plays a big role in the Fortuner GR Sport Concept. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a crisp user interface. The digital instrument cluster or semi-digital display provides essential driving information with a sport-inspired layout. Premium audio systems enhance the driving experience, making long journeys more enjoyable and immersive. Comfort is not sacrificed in the name of sportiness. The Fortuner GR Sport still offers spacious seating for passengers, with excellent legroom and headroom, making it a perfect family SUV. Rear seat passengers enjoy comfortable seating, rear AC vents, and premium materials that maintain Toyota's reputation for quality and reliability. This balance between comfort and sportiness is what makes the GR Sport Concept so appealing. Now let's talk about performance, because that's where the GR Sport badge truly matters. While the Fortuner GR Sport Concept or modified version may not always come with a completely new engine, it is often tuned to deliver a more engaging driving experience. The trusted diesel and petrol engines are optimized for better throttle response and smoother power delivery. In some modified versions, suspension tuning is upgraded to provide improved handling and stability, especially at higher speeds. The GR Sport suspension setup is usually stiffer compared to the standard Fortuner, reducing body roll and enhancing cornering confidence. This makes a noticeable difference when driving on highways or winding roads, giving the driver more control and a sportier feel behind the wheel. Despite the firmer setup, Toyota ensures that ride comfort remains suitable for daily use. Off-road capability remains a key strength of the Fortuner GR Sport concept. With features like a robust ladder frame chassis, high ground clearance, and advanced traction systems, this SUV is still ready to tackle rough terrains. Four-wheel drive capability, drive modes, and hill assist features ensure that the Fortuner doesn't lose its adventurous spirit. Even with its sporty upgrades, safety is another area where Toyota never compromises. The Fortuner GR Sport concept is equipped with advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, traction control, and advanced driver assistance systems in some versions. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision mitigation systems add an extra layer of confidence, making it one of the safest SUVs in its segment. What makes the Fortuner GR Sport concept